अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज के इस लेक्चर में जो कि हमारा द लैंग्वेज स्किल्स 25660 डिप्लोमा टैफल के पेपर के बारे में है। हम एक इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक डिस्कस करेंगे, दैट इज द रोल ऑफ टेस्ट्स इन द टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस। सो स्टूडेंट, लेट्स बिगिन with the introduction. Tests are not just used to give marks or grades. They are an important part of teaching and learning process. When used properly, tests can help both teachers and students. Teachers can see how well students have understood the lesson, and student can understand what they need to improve. Student can also A test can also be used as a tool for better learning, not just for judging performance. How test can be used for teaching purposes. Checking understanding. Test help teachers find out how much students have learned and what topics need to be taught again. This makes teaching more focused and effective. For example, a short quiz after a grammar lesson helps the teacher see if student understood the rules or not. Giving feedback. Test gives students and teachers feedback. Students learn what they did right or wrong, and teachers learn what needs more practice. For example, after after a reading test, a teacher can explain why some answers were wrong and how to improve. Number three, encouraging revision. Knowing that a test is coming is make student revise and practice more. This helps them remember the lesson better. For example, before speaking, before a speaking test, student may practice pronunciation and sentence structure more seriously. Setting goals. Tests help in setting large goals. Students can see their progress and try to reach higher levels. It motivates them to do better. For example, if a student scores 6 out of 10 in writing, they may aim for 8 next time. Identifying strengths and weakness. Tests show which students are doing well and which students need extra help. This helps teachers plan support for weaker learners. For example, if many students fail a listening test, the teacher can plan more listening practice in class, making learning active. Tests can be used as active learning tools like games, group quizzes, or oral questions, which make the class more interactive and enjoyable. For example, using a team quiz in class makes students practice and learn from each other. We conclude that topic. In short, tests are not just about giving marks, they are a useful way to support learning. When teachers use tests for feedback, revision, and planning, they help students improve. Tests also guide teachers to make their lesson better. So instead of being stressful, test can become a positive and helpful part of learning journey. So student, that was our question, which we have discussed in detail, the role of test in teaching learning process. I request all of you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and give your opinion about the lecture in the comment section. Thank you very much.